Hey guys, here Mike Martin with Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the Danchuk Trifive Nationals at Beach Bend Raceway. We just did a 50-50 today. For the day, it was $40,800, and we had a winner for that. And now we're getting ready to start some racing here. We got some cars lining up over here, and soon we'll be firing up and having some racing action here. This is one of the other things, one of the neat events at this show, is that you got all day racing here. It's fun runs, exhibitions, gassers, everything. It's just really a blast. So let's just kind of hang tight here, and we should be getting rolling here pretty soon. Now it's hot and humid out here, and those guys are sitting in those cars just waiting. And here we go. So it's going to get a little noisy. Let's make some noise. That's America right there, man. Okay, it looks like they're ready to go. They're warmed up. They're going to make a run at it. Let's see what we got going. Let's see what kind of action we get here. The other set of cars lining up right behind these guys. Two cars went down the track. We had well, I turned it off before I could see it, but I hope you can see it here. This guy's going to run solo, looks like. Yeah, baby! Woo! That's what I'm talking about here. This is just some of the racing action that's going on all day down here. We got the cars running out here, and it's just an awesome time for everyone. Oh, we've got a treat coming up here, and hopefully I can sit around this. This is a good old friend of Danchuk Manufacturing, John Barkley, our friend, who owned this car, trailered it all the way from Oregon, and got this car. He had this car back in the 60s when he was the national record holder back in the 60s. So now he's here running again. Let's see if we can get some action out of him later on. I'm going to go ahead and come back to this. Again, this is Mike Martin with Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you live from the Danchuk Trifive Nationals in Bowling Green, Kentucky. See you soon.